Tired of manually adding numbers? Let's unlock the secret to lightning-fast calculations with Excel's SUM function. We'll use this simple sales data to demonstrate. First, let's sum the sales for January. Click on the empty cell at the bottom of the January column, where you want the total to appear. Now, type equals sum into the cell, or the formula bar. This tells Excel you want to use the sum function. Next, select the range of cells you want to add. In this case, the sales figures for January. You can do this by clicking and dragging from the first number to the last. Excel will automatically fill in the cell range in the formula. Now, simply type a closing parenthesis and press enter. Excel instantly calculates the total sales for January. There's an even faster way. For the rest of the totals, select the cells you want to sum, including the empty cell where you want the total to appear. Then, on the Home tab, click the AutoSum button. Boom! Excel automatically calculates all the row and column totals for you. So there you have it, the sum function and AutoSum, your new best friends for effortless calculations in Excel. Like and subscribe for more Excel tips.